Hello guys, what's up? Heraldo here. I just discovered a new game on Telegram, what we call Pepe Week, no? So if you know Pepe Coins and Jan Week, so if you combine it together, Pepe Week. Just kidding. So basically guys, this game is now live. Pwede na tayong maglaro nito sa Telegram app. You can use the link in the video description below. So ano ba yung perks by playing this game? What are the perks by playing the game? So number one is yung airdrop. You can possibly get an airdrop by playing this game. So makakuha tayo ng airdrop kapag naglaro tayo ng game na to. And number two, invite friends. When your friends use or bought on and they purchase a Pewix on in-game app, you can possibly get a reward from it. Okay? So by playing the game guys, you need to eliminate some pickles in order to get some pickle coin, okay? Something like this. So basically guys, this free character only has a duration of 3 days lifespan. So make it sure to maximize the lifespan of the free character, no? Maglaro tayo na maglaro as much as possible dahil hindi natin pwedeng i-exit yung app, no? Kailangan nakabukas talaga siyang ganyan. You need to run the app to play the game. You cannot play offline, okay? Make it sure na isagad nyo yung energy niya bago kayo mag-out. So, yan. If you want to recruit or get more Pepe Week, no? So, you need to buy it using in-game token. And in order to buy in-game token, you need to get some ton coin first. Okay? So, you can buy ton using Telegram app. Okay? You can open the wallet, no? And, yeah. Make it sure that you have a ton coin. Okay? So, you just need to connect your wallet. Okay? And then, yeah, wallet is connected. So, yeah, in my case, guys, wala tayong ton. We don't have a ton token right now. So, that's the process on how are you gonna get that. If you want to deposit ton, guys, you need to tap it and copy the deposit address. And you will do the transaction on the external such as OKX, BitGet, Bybit, or any wallet that you are available with. So, you can also purchase, no, ton using Telegram app as well. Okay, so let's go back to the game. And if you want to get more Pepe Week guys, you need to tap this recruit button. Tap it right here and you will need to open it, and it costs you 2,000 Pewik. Okay, again, in order to get Pewik, you need to have a ton coin on your wallet connected on this game. Okay, and yeah, we have also here some boosters, no? If you want to boost the character attack speed plus damage and missile, and the attack speed plus damage and explosive grenade. So it has a corresponding time. For example guys, you purchase this attack speed only, it will only run for 3 minutes. And it costs you 30 Pewiks. Okay, so something like that. So another one guys is the squad. You can combine your Pepe character guys. Okay, for example, remove this. Yan, if you have a 2 of this, you can combine it together by using the merge button. Add 2 of them, and yeah, you can combine it or use the protect, or this one guys, definitely successful. So it's up to you. Then you will get another character here. Okay? So, the game is very simple and very easy to be honest guys. No? Napakadali lang laruin na ito. No? Automated na siya. Ayan, baril-baril lang siya ng pickles. Tapos yun, makakakuha tayo ng mga pickle coins. And ito yung magiging airdrop natin, no? In the future or in the coming months. Okay, so 1:1 yung ratio guys. If you have 145, then you will get 145 token when the TGE comes out. Okay, so again guys, there's no offline rewards here. You cannot get offline rewards if you exit the game, like Hamster Combat. You won't get any of these. Make it sure that your mobile device is working, no? Like this, my device is working right now. It's open on my mobile app, and yeah, yan yung kailangan natin. Okay, so napakasimple lang guys. Punta naman tayo sa kanilang white paper. Let's go. So, ayan guys, ito yung official website, no, pepeweek.io ng game. Okay, so yung play game guys, kapag clinic nyo yan, mapupunta kayo sa Telegram channel nila directly, no, or the Telegram bot. Okay, let's go to documents guys for the white paper for you to understand easily how the game works. So let's start with the gameplay guys. Very simple, no, as I show earlier. Once you use my link in the video description guys, you will get a free to play Pepe Week, okay? So you will get 2,000 worth of character, no? The Pepe Week. So yeah, the basic operation is just engage by clicking to perform actions such as forming the team, attacking enemies, and collecting rewards. To earn rewards, players must keep the game active and remain on screen. So katulad na sinabi ko kanina, hindi nyo pwedeng i-off yung mobile, no? You cannot turn off your mobile while you are playing the game because the farming will stop. Okay, let's go to boss combat. Okay, so the boss combat is coming soon. And yeah, the reward is 1,000 ton, guys. Ang laki niya, no? As you can see for the top one, how much it is. Let's go to convert it to 1,000. Uy, kalahating million, no? Legit ba? Half million, guys. When we convert it to $7,000 USD as of making this video for the top one. Grabe naman yun, no? Isn't that amazing? Okay, for the second and third position, guys, 2,000 ton each, no? For me, it's huge for free. But if you want to maximize everything, of course, you need to buy Pepe Week more. More Pepe Weeks, more damage, more airdrop to come. Okay, Pepe Weeks activity limit. Okay, let's go to Pepe Weeks activity limit, no? So, every level has a corresponding lives, no? For example, guys, the level 1, it only has a 15 days, no? For the 2, 20 days, level 3, 25 days, level 4, 30 days, and the level 5 is permanent, no? I think level 5 is the best one for this, okay? Troop recruitment, guys, yeah, very simple, very easy. Just tap the plus button and you can recruit or put some character to shoot the pickles. Okay, level up. Let's go for the level up. Yeah, very simple. I already showed this on in-game earlier, no? Just add some Pepe Week and you can combine it and evolve or transform, no? Something like this, okay? Alright, boosters, guys. Yeah, I have already shown this to you. Resource and currency. Ay, okay. So, resource and currency, guys. Pickles. Tapos yung Pepe Week. Okay. Let's go to tokenomics, guys. Very important, no? The total supply will only be 100 million few tokens. Okay. So, yun lang yung makukuha natin. Airdrop will be 6%. Reward converter, no, 60%. Ang laki. Ang laki naman na itong reward converter na to. Okay, business strategy 17%, development team 2%, guys, and the liquidity is 15%. Okay na din. Not bad. So, let's go to distinctive points of the game, guys. Click to earn model, blockchain integration, so built on Ton blockchain technology. Tapos, free to play, ayan, dynamic in-game economy, unique events and challenges, referral rewards, no downloads required. So, basically, guys, no need to download the game as long as you have a Telegram app. We are good to go. Let's go! So, let's go, guys, to official Twitter Pepe Week, guys. It has a verified badge, verified account. You can follow them on Twitter, guys, to check out the latest update of the Pepe Week, guys. So, look at the reward, for the top 1. Okay, it's so good, guys, to participate in this game. Okay, make it sure to participate on the Telegram, no, of Pepe Week, guys. It's t.me/PepeWeekTon. Okay, you can find it. And it has 3,000 subscribers as of making this video. Alright, so yeah, I think that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about this project, you can check out all the links in the video description below. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next one. Peace.